Welcome back, guys. This is part 14, 15. I lost track at this point. Working on this 2019 Entegra. We got some right here because we're going to go ahead and reseal this sink drain. The next we're going to do is we're going to clean out this drain as much as we can. The cleaner you get these parts, the better it's gonna adhere. Even though this part gets bolted on, it still doesn't help when you leave all the old silicone on. Okay. So there we go. Gonna go ahead and stick that right there. Then we also got some rubber washer. Come on there. A rubber washer that goes on this. Then under that goes this little paper washer. And under that goes this the part right here. Just go around, around. Put some gloves on. Maybe I get it tighter with some gloves on. Probably a special wrench that I do not have that you're supposed to do this with, but we're gonna get it as tight as we possibly can by hand and call it good. Okay. Okay. I'm not reusing that board that I'm covering that on, but that's on. Now what we're gonna do, gonna move you guys. Gonna go ahead and think about turning the fireplace off, but I needed to heat that silicone up and make it cure with heat. If it's too cold, that shit won't cure, right? But I'm basically baking it right now. Trick of the trade. Got a mess. Now from there, we're gonna get our piece of pipe, our elbow, our fitting, okay. Don't have water hooked up to this thing, but no leaks so far. Yeah, no leaks so far. But now it's just let that cure. Gonna try to never using much of this stuff. Trying to okay. It's coming along great. Got all this garbage silicone in here from extra letting that faucet drain. I am going to go get some hoses and hook the plumbing up to this thing. I mean some water, not plumbing. Plumbing's already done. And gonna let that cure. There it is right there. Next on the list is we're gonna need to cut some 2x4s, and we're gonna see about mounting them under this thing. I'd like to get them more of the back, because the back has play in it. Front really don't have much, if any, play in it. Just trying to get that. Let that cure, and it's raining. And but yeah, I got some arrow aged barrel. Hopefully that's what we need. Got some need my knife. probably go ahead and do a measurement on the dang what we need on a 2x4. Those will basically be going right there. Another 38 is what I believe I need. Is that correct? That's what I need. Kind of hard to measure with the dang wrenches there. I'll cut it a little bigger than 38. Cut it right there. I think that's going to be it for today, guys. Or this video. I'm losing track. Too many damn videos. I gotta go find my little sawdust bag for my miter saw, and then I can fire up the old miter saw and get that board cut. And then I'll probably be making part 15, I believe, or 16, whatever video it is. So, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.